install on the BMW 5 Series 2022. Customer bought his own sub into us for it to be fitted. This is the EDGE EDB10A. An active amplifier. So if we go around to the front of the vehicle, we can turn the sound up and you'll hear the sound difference. A lot more bass in the atmosphere of the cabin of this vehicle. If we go around to the rear of the vehicle,